Okay, right. So, challenge time. We're in the supermarket. Savage is a little bit bored. Now, to keep her entertained, we play a game. And tonight's game is find a special item.
And you get to win a sweet if you get it in under.
No, this ain't about you winning something. It's about occupying you so you're not bored.
Ooh,
look at her. She's all got ants in her pants. Right. I'll tell you what I need. Yeah, I'll tell you what I need. I'll tell you what I need for a bit of dinner that I'm cooking. I need a bottle of soy sauce.
Soy sauce. Okay, I know what that is.
On your marks. Get set. Shot.
I know where soy sauce is. I know where soy sauce is. Soy sauce, please. Soy sauce. Soy sauce. Mum, where's soy sauce?
It might be up here, darling.
I need soy sauce. Where?
Wait a minute.
Soy sauce. Come on. Soy sauce. Soy sauce. Please.
There you go, darling.
Thank you. I got soy sauce. Pops. Pops. Pops, I got it. I got some soy sauce.
You done it?
Yes.
There you go. Light soy sauce. Right, okay, come with me then.
It's your round now.
No, you're around again. I like that. Oh, do you know what I need?
What?
Do you know what I need? I need to buy Frank's football coach some red wine.
I know where that is.
Yeah, but it needs to be the right money red wine. Because I'm doing it as a thank you. I need 4 bottles, but it needs to be the right money red wine. So you might need to ask Mummy about that as well. Red wine,
Should I go
good
with
nice
basket?
red wine.
I'll take with me.
Go and find what it is first, and then come back and report on how much it is. I don't know how much it is.
Okay, Pacific red wine.
I don't know. I don't know enough about red wine. So go and ask Mum. Maybe even go and ask someone who works here about red wine.
So what do I say? Can you tell me about
Say,
red
excuse
wine?
me, can you tell me about red wine? Because my dad needs to know about red wine, and I don't know what I'm talking about. So can you help me, please?
Okay, fine. Come in front of me, Dad, and see if I actually say it. Come on. I need to find... Mum, Dad asked me to ask a colleague about... Tell me some facts about red wine.
Oh,
He needs some red wine.
No, the nice red wine.
Red wine! Red wine! Where's red wine? I said I knew where it was.
Red wine.
Where's red wine? I need it.
Where is that?
He needs 4 bottles, but it has to be a great price. We can't get any now, he said.
Dad?
We might need to get the right money, Mum. It has to be good. It has to be a good price for red wine. If I was red wine, where would I be? Red wine. Red. I'm a bit confused about where it would be. Red wine, red wine. Oh, it might be over here. Red wine. Red wine. Where is red wine? Oh my god. I need some red wine. Red wine. Malbec. Red wine. I need some red wine.
You found it?
No. Should I ask a colleague?
It?
Where is it? Red wine. Red wine.
It? No, there's lots to choose from. I don't know what I'm looking at.
Where's
either.
red wine?
This could take a while.
Where's red wine?
Yeah,
I'm
that's
going
all
to
red
ask a
wine.
colleague.
That's all red wine. So we need to. That's going to take a while to choose something decent.
Where does it say red wine? Please tell me.
It's all there.
Wait, should I ask a colleague what is the best red wine option?
That'd probably point you in the direction of the expensive stuff because they want
Should
you
I-
to spend lots of money.
Should I ask where's the cheap red wine?
Yeah, but then you sound cheap.
We'll have a look around.
But I've been told there's a
Should I ask
decent red
where's the
wine. No, I've
favourite
been
red-
told there's a decent red wine for £8 a bottle
I was going to say, is
in
anything?
Aldi.
How have you done this trolley, you two?
We
Look.
just put it in there. is how we roll.
Wait, I want to go ask a colleague.
That's a, how are you even
Dad,
having to go
can I
at us
ask a
for
colleague?
stacking the trolley like that? That was you to start with. You started the stacking process. We just followed what you started.
Can I ask a colleague where?
No, I'm going to buy. I know where I'm going. I'm going to go to Aldi. It's
You know where
£8
you're
a
going?
bottle. Oh, I don't know actually. It's £9 a bottle there. That's the same money.
That's £8 a bowl.
Is that? Yeah, no.
Oh, Dad.
What's that, Ren?
£7.50.
Is that red? Yeah.
Mum, I got to show you something. This is your dream. Come
Yeah,
here.
look. Taste red cherries and spice.
Dad. I was going to say about to say Mum's birthday, but it's already in advance. For Christmas, I need to show you something. We need to get this for Mum.
All right. Well, let's cut this one here. Yeah, I have to tell you when to cut because you will just film for days.
Please, let me show you quick.
Listen, do me a favour.
Please.
Cut.